Okay, so in this video, we will introduce the quotient rule of differentiation. So assume we have two functions, f of x and g of x. And we know how to differentiate both f of x and g of x. The question is the following. If we know how to differentiate f and differentiate g, can we find an easy way to differentiate the quotient between f of x and g of x? So we ask, what is the derivative of f of x over g of x with respect to x? And the answer is fairly simple. The derivative of the quotient will be the derivative of f, the numerator, times the denominator, then minus the numerator, times now the derivative of the denominator, so g prime of x, divided by g of x, the denominator, squared. And we can write this more concisely if instead of using the d over dx notation for the derivative, we use the prime notation. And we can also drop the x in each case. So we can say that the derivative, the prime symbol, the derivative of f over g is quite simply the derivative of f times g minus f times the derivative of g over g squared. And this is the so-called quotient rule of differentiation.